Hi Kayamers! It's me, Carl, and welcome to Yam Carl TV. Hindi mo man intensyon na i-compare mo ang iyong sarili sa iba, pero minsan tinutukso din tayo ng tadhana. Nag-scroll ka lang dito sa FB, iba nagpapatayo na ng bahay, yung iba bumibili ng sakyan, nakakapag-travel kung saan-saan. I just want recently realize upon scrolling here in my FB that success is not your failure. Hindi ibig sabihin naging successful na sila. Ibig sabihin ay failure ka na. Hindi ibig sabihin na abot na nila yung pangarap nila. Ibig sabihin hanggang dito ka na lang. And one thing I've learned, you need to practice being grateful. Every day is a skill set. Dapat everyday you remind yourself to be grateful of what we or you have now. Bigay na natin sa kanila yon. Hindi naman natin alam kung anong pinagdaanan nila before became a successful one. What we saw is the result, but we never see the process. Di natin na-appreciate yung process. It's a perspective kasi. Minsan natatabunan yung mga dapat nating ipagpasalamat because we look forward to another dream, to setting another goal. Di pa nga natin na-enjoy yung ngayon eh. While we want is mapunta na tayo doon sa success na pinapangarap natin. You must be also grateful now. Yung walang inggit at pressure. So, let it be.